Hi, Internet friends. It's day number 9 in our series, 20 Days of Chief Architect X15. I'm Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions, and today's feature is artificial terrain. You can show the terrain instead of just a short little piece of land. Show it all the way to the horizon with a quick little check mark. Let's get started in our favorite software. Yes, so I've set up this terrain with, I saw somebody else do this where they painted the skirt with the dirt material, and it looks really cool. Never played with the terrain materials all that much, but I set up this terrain. We don't have a foundation. I'm picturing this little additions on maybe on posts and piers, and I want to. So I set that up. Click on the link above and you'll go to the video I released just recently on how to set that up so that there's no hole here under this addition. But so there have been many times where I don't want to draw a very large terrain for sake of just like maybe the plot is small, but I really want to see more than just this grass right here. You can now do that in X15. Draw a small terrain plot and have grass or terrain go all the way to the horizon. In my toolbars, I have this tool, Edit Active View. You can go to 3D, you can go to in your menu to Tools, Active View, and Edit Active View. Will pop up this perspective full overview specification. This terrain to horizon is one simple check mark right here. Extend terrain to horizon. Click on that, and Chief will take that sloping grade and take that all the way to the horizon, no matter what way you look. Now, this is great, and I don't want to do this with every overview I take. So if I take a new overview here, it's popping up without that again. So let's go into the defaults, settings. That's this wrench right here, or you can go to Edit Default Settings. And I'm going to click on the arrow next to Camera Tools, and I'm going to choose my Perspective Full Overview. Double click on that and check off my Extend Terrain to Horizon. So every time now that I do a Perspective Full Overview, it will automatically appear with that terrain extending to the horizon. Fun little tip here, nice little addition to this modeling, rendering software. Check out tomorrow's video for sky models, daytime and nighttime sky models. I'm excited to share that one with you. If you've learned something new and like this series on X15, click like and subscribe down there. Leave comments. I enjoy the participation with each and every one of you. Otherwise, take care.